Welcome to Alberta Channel, the news released on December 16, 2023. The following are the noteworthy highlights of today's news. In the largest lawsuit in the history of the Federal Maritime Commission, MSC may face a potential compensation demand of $316 million for allegations of deliberate retaliatory behavior. Mr. Lu Chong, chairman of COSCO Shipping Group in Shanghai and Hong Kong, has been detained for investigation by the Chinese authorities in Beijing's anti-corruption efforts. The Baltic Dry Index continues its upward trend for the fourth consecutive session due to a sharp increase in freight rates of the Cape-size segment, reaching the highest level in a year and a half.
At the United Nations Climate Conference in Dubai, two international transport associations are calling for increased support for the green transition of the maritime industry. They hope that the United Nations will recognize the sector's role in global transformation during the climate summit.
The disruption at the Panama Canal is worsening, with waiting times for non-booked vessels increasing this month. The situation is expected to deteriorate further over the next 2 months if a satisfactory resolution is not found. Shipping companies not only have an excess of vessels, but also an abundance of container capacity to fill the active fleets. In the latest report, there is hope that the global container shipping industry will scale back, both within this year and the next.
Greek shipowners have decided to invest $3.3 billion to acquire additional liquefied natural gas (LNG) carriers, simultaneously selling off all container ships and transitioning into a pure LNG transport unit. Damen Group has introduced an all-electric service vessel equipped with offshore charging capabilities, utilizing power directly from offshore wind farms.
To avoid paint shortages and rising electricity prices to record highs in the winter, China has stepped up measures to use coal and gas to compensate for reduced hydroelectric power output due to drought. According to Ocean Bolt data, India's coal imports reached 13.8 million tons in October 2023, the highest in 18 months, representing a 43.5% increase compared to the same period last year. AD Ports Group and the Vietnam Maritime Administration have signed a memorandum of understanding, marking a significant step in promoting trade cooperation across various sectors, including ports, logistics, digital solutions, economic centers, free trade zones and maritime and shipping. Mexico continues to expand its domestic container transport capacity by ordering an additional new containers to meet the growing demand for freight transport at the end of 2023 and the beginning of 2024. This investment demonstrates Mexico's strong commitment to meeting all customer requirements for inland freight transport. The standard coal price for the largest coal-consuming region in Asia has decreased to $140 per ton, the lowest since July 2021. Meanwhile, steel rebar futures have rebounded to 3,600 Chinese yuan per ton, the highest in 3 years. Brent crude oil futures rose above $74.50 per barrel on December 7, indicating a technical recovery but still close to the lowest levels. The Baltic Dry Index, a key indicator of dry bulk shipping rates, has decreased for the 16th consecutive session on June 2, 2023, reaching a low of 919 points, the lowest in over 3 months. Update container ship charter prices on December 1, with 6-month to 1-year contracts according to Clarkson's report. Update oil tanker charter rates as of December 1. Update bulk carrier charter rates as of December 1. And that is highlight news this week. Thank you for watching. This is Alberta Channel. Goodbye and see you again.